Welcome to our Everyman Jack Beard Butter review video. In this video we will be looking at the Everyman Jack Beard Butter ingredients and the benefits they offer you and your beard. What is beard butter? Beard butter is basically a deep conditioner for your beard. It helps to soften them whiskers and moisturize your beard and the skin beneath. Beard butters are usually made up of several different butters and oils which are designed to absorb easily into your facial hair, providing all sorts of great benefits. Beard butter is a product to certainly consider having in your beard grooming arsenal. Who would benefit from this beard butter? Anyone who suffers from dandruff, dryness, and beard itch. This beard butter contains many ingredients which are excellent for providing moisture, healing properties to the beard and the skin beneath your beard. So if you suffer from dryness and dandruff, this product will certainly help you manage and reduce the dryness and dandruff. If you suffer from an itchy beard, this product will also help you to reduce that itch fairly quickly due to the butters that are included in this product. These butters will deeply condition your beard, which will reduce the itch and promote a much softer beard. Everyman Jack Beard Butter ingredient. If you want to know the benefits you will gain from a beard product, the ingredients will tell you exactly that. In this butter, there are many ingredients, but the four standout ingredients are shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and wheat protein. All four of these ingredients offer your beard excellent benefits. Shea butter. This butter is excellent for moisturizing your beard and skin as well as locking moisture in. It helps to repair damaged hair, and it is excellent for softening dry, brittle beard hairs. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is one of the best moisturizers, as it contains fatty acids. It absorbs deep in the hair and skin, providing long-lasting hydration. Coconut oil. Coconut oil provides plenty of nutrients to the beard and skin beneath. It contains strong healing properties due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Perfect if you suffer from dandruff, beard rough. This oil also provides fantastic moisturizing property. Wheat protein. Wheat protein is great for moisturizing and conditioning dry and brittle beard hair. This protein also offers excellent repairing properties to beard hair as well as helping the hair strengthen. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.